In this video, we're going to talk about this problem that the Clear History and Website Data button in Safari has been grayed out from settings. And apart from that, the Clear button is missing on your Safari app as well. So let's go ahead and see why this might happen and how you can fix this problem on iPhone 16 running on the latest iOS. So one of the common reasons behind this is if you have cleared your Safari history, let's say within a couple of hours, and you haven't been active since then. And also, if you constantly use Safari only on private browser, this might also happen because there is no history to clear out. If that's not your issue, let's open up settings on your iPhone, scroll down for screen time, to content and privacy restrictions, to App Store, media, web and games, to web content, and make sure it's selected to unrestricted. And apart from that, it's better if from settings once again, just go ahead, tap on your profile to iCloud, tap on See All, and in this list find Safari and make sure it's turned on. If it's already turned on, just go ahead, turn it off, select Keep on My iPhone, and after a few moments, just turn it back on and then press Merge. Even after that, if the button is still missing or grayed out, sometimes it just happened for some minor glitch. So let's force restart our device. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button and keep holding down the side button till the screen goes black. After it restarts, if you want, you can just browse for a while, and then if you go to settings, scroll down to apps, from there to Safari. And if you scroll down under History and Website Data, you will see Clear History and Website Data option is no more grayed out. You can just click on it, and if you want, you can clear your history from here. And same goes if you open the Safari app, tap on this bookmark, and you'll see in the History section, the Clear button is now visible. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.